Huh?
I wanted to see if it was gonna work.
It did. I got like half of them.
Okay.
I'll show you. I'll get the other half right after I'm done with the first half.
Are you recording my boy again?
I haven't done it in a long time.
Hmm?
I haven't done it in a long time.
That's what drug dealers, drug takers, drug users say. Huh.
Very nice.
Easy as American Pie by Daniel Levy or whatever that guy's name was. I don't know who made the American Pie song. Don Quixote?
Why do I never remember his name? John McLean.
Yeah, Easier Than American Pie by John McClain.
Not John McClain.
Who'd you say?
Don
McClain?
McLean.
McClain? The bald guy?
That's Mr. Clean.
Yeah, sure. I guess.